Hello everyone, I'm Anjali. Welcome back to my channel. Our recipe today is broccoli omelette. In this recipe, we need 2/3 cup chopped onion and 1/3 cup chopped spring onion. I have here 300 grams broccoli chopped into florets. Then wash the broccoli. In a pot of boiling water, add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon oil and broccoli in. Blanch the broccoli for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, take out the broccoli and chop into small pieces. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs, seasoned with half teaspoon salt and a dash of black pepper powder. Beat the eggs very well. Then add the chopped onion and spring onion and the chopped broccoli. Mix until well combined. If you have some cooked chicken or cooked fish, you can add at this stage. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil. Swirl the pan. Then the broccoli mixture in. Cook this broccoli until set before flipping it and cook the other side. Cover and turn the flame to low to avoid burning it. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sauce. In a bowl, mix half tablespoon cornstarch, half teaspoon sugar, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper powder, half tablespoon soy sauce, half tablespoon oyster sauce, and a half cup of water. Mix it nicely, and in a pan, pour the sauce. Mix until thickens. Then transfer into a bowl. It's time to check our broccoli, and the broccoli omelette is done. You can transfer now to a serving plate. You can enjoy to eat this as it is or with bread or even rice. Today I will eat this with rice. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think this recipe in the comment section below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will be updated when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.